A while back, the One Good team created the One Good card, an all-in-one eco-friendly customizable smart name card that shares your contact information with one tap. This time, we made it simpler and better. Introducing the One Good Ring, the ultimate tool to empower us to connect effortlessly. Whether you're a photographer who wants to share your portfolio, or a cafe owner who wants to showcase your menu to your customers, a content creator who wants to share your social media links, or a salesperson who wants to present an idea to your clients, One Good Ring helps you do it all with the convenience of one tap. Designed with ceramic material that is durable and waterproof, the One Good Ring is available in a sleek black or white finish that is perfect for any style preference. What's even better? You'll never have to worry about charging your ring. The One Good Ring has endless possibilities. Built with the future in mind, this is just the beginning.
Hey everyone, I'm Chow.
My name is Josh.
And we are the founders of One Good Team. We started One Good Team with sustainability in mind. Our goal was to combat paper name card wastage and to provide networking tools that actually make sense in today's age. Across the years, we have individuals, businesses, content creators, and entrepreneurs that have embraced this new form of networking.
Since the beginning, One Good Team has been focused on providing more avenues to digitalize physical processes to combat wastage. Now the One Good team is very excited and very happy to reveal our new product, the One Good Ring.
All the capabilities that you've known of packed into one convenient, portable, One Good Ring. It is more than just a slick fashion piece. We believe that One Good Ring allows you more touch points for your next connection.
Whether you're a movie star, a Fortune 500 CEO, or a beekeeper in Brooklyn, we have the profile that will be tailored just for you. So come support our Kickstarter project so that we can bring this concept to life and make it available to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.